So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally one of the biggest hiring has been announced again from the IBM. So earlier they have opened the application but that was closed and many of the candidates missed this wonderful opportunity. Now again they have opened the hiring for the role of Associate System Engineer ASC and there are multiple job locations. You can just go through it. Mysore, Ahmedabad, Chennai, means from north to south, and freshers are eligible for this. So this is wonderful opportunity. You can apply for this. Talking about the requirement and the eligibility criteria. So you should have strong programming knowledge in Java, C++, Python, or Node.js, and knowledge of SDLC. Okay, so if you want to get the free study material for SDLC, then you can just join our WhatsApp Telegram group. You can go get all those details free of cost in there. Okay. Now this is the entry level off-campus hiring positions, and candidate must have obtained their degree before starting of employment. Means you should have just completed the degree. So I think if you are from 2025 or 2024 pass out, then you have obtained the degree, and there is an urgent requirement from them. I think that's why they are reopen the hiring. Okay. So this is the important criteria for that. So BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA from CS background, all CS bachelor like CSC, AIML, data science, cloud computing, big analytics, CSBS, IoT, robotics, AI, cybersecurity, all those can apply. And you should have minimum 6 GPA or 60%. Okay, if you don't have 60%, then you are not able for this. And that's the reason I was earlier telling you that maintain at least 7 or 7.5 GPA, then only you will be there for almost company. Okay. So I think 60% most of the students will be having, and you should have fluent in communication skills and prefer technical professional experience. So if you have some experience in these, then there's a higher chance of getting selected. And friends, you will 100% get reward. No need to worry about that. Okay, because I already posted the video related to the students, and they got the offer letter. That was the means off campus, but how I got selected because he have updated the resume. That's the reason. Okay, friends, if you have been selected for the TCS NQT, which we have already provided you update that finally TCS have announced the result, and first time in the history they have announced the result within 7 to 10 days. So if you have been selected and want to schedule the mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. We'll provide you dedicated guidance, which will basically increase your chances in TCS selection. So all the best to the candidates who have interview further. Okay, I think interview will be started from April onward. So just fill our form. We'll provide you feedback and also help you to do the resume review. Okay, means resume review will also be there. So we'll provide you complete guidance. So if you're interested, you can just fill the form. So friend, this was the role for applying. Just you have to click here apply now, and you have to just fill all those basic requirements. If you applied earlier for other position, then you can directly just log in and apply that. So this is a regular job, and this will be your roles and responsibility. You will responsible in developer specializing in Java and web technology, Java framework and language such as Ruby, Groovy, and web development. So these are means they basically work on various domains. So this is a good company. You should apply for getting such important opportunity. You can just subscribe us. We already posted lots of important video related to NQT coding questions we are discussing day to day. So almost uh, 6 to 7 shift have happened, and we already posted all those stuff in my YouTube channel. So कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or you can ask any query at Insta or anywhere. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.